Hey everybody, Chad Perkins here with you from Kightlinger Motors and Coudersport. Just wanted to give you a quick reminder here. You should know we have you covered for everything you need for your car. We have a great sales process. We have a wonderful service department. We have your accessories. We have your tires. We have everything you need, detail, and also, say for example, you need some body work like dents, dings, scratches. I don't know, you get hit by a baseball, the parking lot stuff. Whatever you need, we're here for you. For example, watch this. Ooh, boy, I don't think we can fix that one though. That, my friends, is what we call a total loss. Your insurance company will handle that one for you. Have a great day. But remember, give us a call, 1-800-477-5277 or 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, Kightlinger.com. Have a great day. Bam.